I don't know about you, but in 2022, I was looking to make some money. You're here because you want to know how to make money with Google search. And I want to let you know, guys, I'm not going to be giving you websites that I don't use. I'm not going to be giving you anything that I don't do. I'm going to be showing you how to really get money using and searching on Google and using Google search engines. But before we get to the video, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment below what you took away from this video, and share this with a friend. That is very important. But let's get right into it. So a lot of people will tell you so many different things, but I'm gonna get right to the meat and potatoes and let you know that you need a product or service when it comes to making money with Google. Let's open up a private browser. Once you have a product or service, one of the best things I like to do with Google is use Google, one of Google's partners, which is YouTube. YouTube is another search engine. It's pretty much a mini Google, but right now it's actually one of the most visited platforms. So when I have a product or service, and I'm going to show you how to get that product or service, you want to make videos around this product or service, whether you're doing face cam or no face cam. So for example, what are people like you looking for in 2022? Ways to make money. So you see all these search terms are what people are searching on Google. These are similar keywords for YouTube as well. You need to be making videos around these keywords. If we come here and we click videos, these are what people are searching for, and these are what people are looking for. So make the videos around them. But to get even more in detail, let's actually talk about what I'm going to be making this video about. And we're going to be using a software called vidIQ. This is a very slept on software, and I'm going to break it down for you a little bit. So what am I making my video on right now? How to make money online using Google search. How do I know what to make my video about? Google, like I just showed you, and we get even more into keyword research with something like vidIQ. So now I know my related score, search volume, competition, overall number of words. So my competition, I know, is there a lot of people making videos on this keyword? Are there a lot of searches on this keyword? So wherever my channel is, so right now I'm at about 1,100 subscribers. So I know I kind of want to stay away from the, even a medium, high, very high. So, but we can kind of play around with the medium for that low subscriber based channel. But I kind of like to go low and very low. So I have a little mix of them. These are going to be my keywords, and these are going to be some of the keywords that I need to mention throughout the video. Every time you say earn money or make money online with Google, and this is the keywords you're using, YouTube picks up that transcription. It's just part of the algorithm, so they know that this is what you're making this video about. And it's a lot of different factors. And what's even more big on what I'm showing you is everything I'm telling you is touched on even more in the product and service that I'm going to show you. So once you're making these videos, you want to make these videos. To me, I like to go hard. So you want to make 2 to 3 videos a day, or at least every few days, to keep getting traction. The biggest thing about Google and, searching Google, searching these SEO, these search engines, is the fact that there's thousands and millions of people going to these search engines every single day, by the minute. So the more videos you make with things that people are searching for, as we see right here, earn money from Google, home-based business, work at home, the list goes on. The more videos we make and the more work we put into these videos, they start to rank. Ranking a video is pretty much seeing it at the top of the page, where most people are clicking. The more we get videos and the more videos we get on these with different keywords on these top pages and top searches, the more traction and the more people you get to your opportunity. It's just simple as that. In 2022, if you're looking to use Google, You want to have a product or service. I can't emphasize this more. A lot of people are showing you free programs. Let's just be real. If you want to quit your job, retire, earn an extra income, I think you're looking for something more than a few dollars, even more than a few $100. You're here to take this serious. You're here to change your lifestyle. So we need to start talking about things that really matter. And that's where we're going to transition into the product or service that I'm going to give you. We are in the affiliate marketing space. You want to be making these videos about affiliate products, because these products you don't have to create yourself. You don't have to recreate them. You don't have to build the website. It's already there. But what's even more great is this specific product actually has different products within it. They actually do have a funnel builder where you can create pages like this. So if you're someone who always wanted to make your own website, custom website, or you wanted to do a membership type of thing or some type of digital product you did want to create, you can do it within this platform. But the big thing that we're going to focus on here is the premium traffic and conversions. This is where you're going to learn more about what I'm saying, more about this YouTube and Google and search engine thing. This is where you're going to have intense and extensive training on these concepts. You're going to have daily masterminds talking about strategies, and you're going to have weekly masterminds where we're going to be talking about different ninja marketing things, complex marketing concepts. You're going to have a community like no other. This community is built on helping. It's built on getting people that never made money online, struggled, haven't succeeded in the industry of affiliate marketing, network marketing, and taking someone who knows nothing and showing them how to be a marketer, a business owner, etc. online. They have another course, which is a financial literacy academy. On the back end, these first two products are residual products, meaning they're monthly subscriptions. Why is this big? And why do you guys want to start getting into stuff that costs, especially if it's a monthly subscription? Because when you're building a business and getting customers, yes, it's cool to make the one-time money, but it's even better to make the residual income. Because I don't know about how you work, but when I put in work, it'll be lovely to get paid on my work over and over. So there's no bad month. If you build up a nice residual income that will pay you over and over, month after month, it's less pressure. You have residual expenses, bills, rent, mortgage. Why not have a residual income? And especially an income that you made from home, online. Could you imagine replacing your job's income with an online business? Doing stuff like videos. Would you spend 3 to 5 hours making videos if it can replace that 8 to 12 hour work shift? Is this a fair exchange? And I think we should end it in this video here. I have so many videos on this specific program, the Home Business Academy, and why this is a very, very good product and service to get involved with, so you don't have to create your own product, go out here and do all these laps around the internet trying to figure out how to work these things that people are telling you to do. When affiliate marketing is simple, it's going to teach you some skills, and it's going to pay you how you want to be paid. So I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching my video on Google, and how to make money searching on Google. Subscribe, share this with a friend, thumbs up, and have a great day.